What's up, guys? Today's video is for every driver who loves smart upgrades, because I'm showing you some insanely cool car gadgets that actually make your ride safer, smoother, and way more fun. If you love discovering new gadgets, hit subscribe, and all the buy links are in the description. Alright, let's jump right in. Women deal with terrible car lighting all the time. This visor mirror finally fixes it. Clips on in seconds, and the 60 LEDs light your face with perfect white, warm, or mixed tones that match real daylight. Tap to switch colors, hold to dim, and it remembers your last setting. It's rechargeable, lasts for hours, and the 3-meter cord gives you backup power anytime. Clean, bright, zero guesswork. Your makeup finally lands flawless, wherever you are. Ever try cleaning your windshield from the inside and nearly dislocate your back? Yeah, same. But this little gadget changes everything. It's the AstroAI windshield cleaner, an extendable pivoting tool that actually reaches those impossible corners behind your dash. Just spray, swipe, and boom. No streaks, no haze, no awkward yoga poses in your car. 4 reusable microfiber pads, crazy absorption, and it even works on TVs, mirrors, whatever glass you throw at it. Honestly, it's one of those gadgets you don't realize you needed until you use it once. Ever wished your car interior felt more alive at night? Meet the Acrylic Interior LED Ambient Kit. 6 ultra-bright acrylic strips with 16 million colors transform your cabin instantly. Smooth, uniform glow. No dull fiber optic look. Choose chasing, static, or music sync modes that react to every beat. Control everything from the app. Brightness, speed, colors, even custom DIY modes. Fits cars, trucks, SUVs, boats, anything you want to upgrade. Turn every drive into a cinematic ride. Car detailing gets frustrating fast when your pressure washer hose keeps fighting you. This Swivel Gun Pro fixes that instantly. The 360-degree swivel inlet keeps the hose moving freely. No kinks, no drag. The quick connect notch lets you swap accessories in seconds. And the built-in nozzle holder keeps every tip right where you need it. It's lightweight, needs only 2 pounds of trigger force, and comes ready with M22 adapters for almost any setup. Smooth, fast, zero hand fatigue. Your wash days just got seriously better. Parking next to careless drivers is basically a gamble. These magnetic door guards take the risk out completely. They slap on in 11 seconds, lock in with strong magnets, and the high-density foam absorbs hits before they ever touch your paint. Pull them off just as fast. Fold them, and they stick together for easy storage. No tools, no adhesive, no damage. Just clean protection every time you park. Simple, removable, and crazy effective. Your doors stay dent-free anywhere you go. Car audio feeling flat or outdated? This Bluetooth upgrade turns any ride into a clean, modern setup in seconds. It clips onto your vent, sits right at eye level, and connects with Bluetooth 5.3 for instant, stable audio. You can boost bass or treble with the adjustment knob, cut the noise with DSP, and get crystal clear calls even in traffic. The QC plus PD ports charge 2 devices fast, and the lighting helps at night without being distracting. Simple install, safer controls, way better sound. Your car finally feels upgraded. Backup cameras shouldn't need drilling, wiring, or a full install. This one snaps on in 3 minutes and just works. The magnetic base locks onto any metal surface. The 1080p camera beams a clean feed straight to the 7-inch HD monitor, and the Solar Plus Type-C battery keeps it running for months. Night vision? Built in. Long-range signal? Rock solid, even on highways. Hitching trailers, reversing RVs, lining up a gooseneck, everything gets safer and stupidly easy. Fast setup, portable, ultra-clear. This is the backup camera that finally makes sense. A flat tire, alone, with a useless manual jack. This gadget ends that fear instantly. This is the CC 21-volt electric car jack, a cordless 5-ton beast that lifts your car with one button. No cables, no cranking, no stress. Just place it under the car, tap the remote, and in 90 seconds, your SUV is off the ground. The 4.0 amp-hour battery gives you 6 to 8 full lifts, It charges fast, and it works on sedans, SUVs, even pickups. Lightweight, trunk-friendly, and built for real emergencies. If you drive, this is the one tool that turns a roadside disaster into a 90-second fix. Want your Tacoma to stand out while staying insanely safe on the road? This OPT7 Redline tailgate light bar does it all. Sequential amber turn signals, 840 bright LEDs, brake, reverse, hazard, every function covered. Reverse? The white lights flash first for maximum visibility, then stay steady. Durable aluminum, waterproof, works in rain, snow, or sub-zero temps. Easy install, sleek design, and insane road presence. Style meets safety. Your Tacoma just leveled up. Nothing kills a road trip faster than a low tire. This inflator handles it before it becomes a problem. The dual-cylinder motor pushes 50 liters per minute, inflating big pickup tires in seconds, not minutes. Set your PSI, hit start, and the auto stop shuts it off exactly when it's done. The 12,000 mAh battery keeps it cordless, powerful, and even works as a power bank with an emergency LED. Plus, the preset modes make it faster for cars, bikes, and anything else you carry. Fast, accurate, and built for big tires. This pump keeps you moving. Messy oil changes are the worst, but these silicone flexible funnels make it spill-free and stress-free. Two sizes, bendable and reusable, handle cars, trucks, or even heavy machinery. Just shape the funnel, pour the oil, and zero mess. No awkward angles, no drips. Heat-resistant, chemical-proof, and super durable. They last years. Cleanup? A breeze. Fast, flexible, and fail-proof. Finally, a funnel that actually works the way you do. Parking lots are a nightmare for your doors. These edge guards stop the damage before it happens. They stick on with 3M adhesive. No tools, no hassle. The soft rubber absorbs bumps, scrapes, and those annoying door-to-door hits that ruin your paint. Heat-resistant, anti-aging, and built to stay on once you press them in place. 4 guards, universal fit. Sedans, trucks, SUVs, anything. Clean look, instant protection. Your doors stay sharp, no matter where you park. Off-road at night? Don't fumble in the dark. Light up the trail with Novsight 4-inch LED pods. X-line design, super bright beam, and yellow DRL covers slice through fog, rain, and mud. Trucks, Jeeps, ATVs, your ride looks aggressive and stays safe. Panoramic illumination, waterproof, and easy plug-and-play install. Turn any off-road adventure into a nighttime thrill ride. Flat tire on the road? Don't call for help. Fix it yourself in minutes with this grand pit stop tubeless repair kit. No tire removal needed. Just grab a mushroom plug, insert it, and seal the puncture instantly. Works on cars, motorcycles, ATVs, even trucks. Lightweight, portable, and built for long trips. Keep it in your bag or bike for emergency-ready repairs anywhere. Fast, reliable, DIY tire fixes. Your rides stay rolling, no delays, no stress. All right, guys, that wraps up today's list of awesome car gadgets. If you found something cool, smash that subscribe button and stay tuned.